What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in for another adventure. Day 2 up in Central Plateau. Went to 3 huts yesterday. Just didn't have enough time to go do this one. I probably did, but I would have been pushing it. So we're going to another shepherd hut up here at Central Plateau. Had one of the members from Mountain Huts Preservation Society send me an email saying that he was up here not long ago and done some repairs, or he fixed something. So go check that out, because I haven't been to this hut before. It's basically just an old shepherd's hut, like the ones that we've seen yesterday in my previous videos. What a cracker of a day though. Like full on. 2 good days in the Central Plateau. This weather's too bloody good. Too bloody good. Hopefully there's no Joe Blakes on the track. I've just realised I'm on the old track. I should have turned left back there. I was just getting a bit concerned because it was just a little bit overgrown. And I'm like, no one's used this track for a while. I'll lead back up to that other road, I reckon. Just check my nav. Yeah, look, I've gone way off the track. I was about to turn back, but the track kept on going, so. Please come out to the other track. I have to walk back through all this. Damn. Coming this way, stay left. There's no Joe Blakes. I just don't want to run into any Joe Blakes. Those big black ones either. Where are we? Okay, it's saying we're on the track. Right, we're back on. Strange. Suppose we just keep on walking. I've just come off the track there, and looks like the old remnants of a hut, maybe. Foundations, you can see. I'm not sure. Or maybe just someone's cleared it when they used to come up here in the 4-wheel drive track and just made a campfire. Strange. I don't think it's anything. Like, it looks like an old foundation for a hut, but I don't think it is. What a view. So clear the water. Another good little patch to pitch up your tent. Although when that wind picks up, she's a bugger. Being 1100 metres above sea level up here at the Central Plateau, of course you're going to get wind. You definitely need somewhere sheltered if you're going to come pitch up your tent. There's another track there. It's another track right there. I wonder if that's the one that the road comes out on. No vehicles. What's this say? No vehicles, including trail bikes, beyond this point. I'll just stay next to the lake. Not too far now. Pretty much just after, pretty much just over halfway. I could see a massive wedge-tailed eagle right out there. I'm going to get it on the video and I can cut those. Oh, he's massive. There he is right there. That's a wedgie. That's a wedge-tailed eagle. He is huge. Holy shit. That is a massive wedge-tailed eagle. He's huge. He's already watching me. Don't know if he's got something, killed something, or he's just sitting there. He's massive. Come on, buddy, do a big fly right past me. He's huge. He'd be up to my waist. I don't know if you can see him on the camera, he's just right out here. Probably like 150 metres. I've got to go towards him, the track goes that way. There he is. Oh, there he goes. Oh, awesome. He's huge. Fuck, they're big birds. Beautiful birds. Absolutely stunning. Oh, it's gone right up to the top of that ridge now. That was awesome. Alright, I found the hut. I can see it from here. Beautiful little spot by the looks of it. The track needs to be remarked because I got lost a couple of times back there. But I found the track, obviously, with experience and knowledge, and you know what you're looking for. I'm not sure if you can see it, but the hut's right up on that ridge. That looks cool as. I'm just hoping that I can find the track that goes to it. It's on my map. This track only goes to the lake. Looks pretty bloody cool though. Alright, let's get up there. Hopefully find the way to the hut. It's nestled in a wicked little spot. Wicked little spot. I don't think there's any specific track from where that pole is. Well, I can't see one anyway. This might be it here. See four-wheel drive tracks slightly, but I think you just got to make your own way there. Sort of a track here. There's no rock cairns, there's no markings. There's the hut there. Oh, I just found a marker right there. So we're on the track. Very hard to see. Just didn't want to end up in that bloody lake, that river, that swamp or whatever it is. Oh, let's get up there. Very slight fainted track, but it's seeable. It's just hard to find the start and the end of it from back down there where that pole is. So if you're coming through and you don't get it, just aim for that pole, wherever it is. Can't even see it now around that ridge. What a spot for a hut. It's nestled over everything. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. Wish I had my tape on me, I'd remark the track, but I don't, so. Plenty of rocks here to make a cairn, but. Alright, about 5 minutes and we should be there. Alright, we've made it. You can just barely see, got the tags. There wasn't any on the track back down there, but definitely needs to be remarked. Maybe the track recut. We'll tidy it up, you know what I mean? Alright, welcome to Tin Hut, everybody. It's been restored by us, the Mountain Huts Preservation Society. I was not here on this working bee. I think it was only a short one, but this is Tin Hut. Maybe that was the old fireplace. Love your work, Eddie. I'll take you inside. Bit of a mission to get here, but it was worth it. I'll keep this door shut because all the bloody flies are coming in. Right, Tin Hut. Looks like Eddie and the other fellas have fixed this up. Put a new window in. Tin Hut, also known as Roddas Hut, restored 2024 by Mountain Huts Preservation Society in partnership with the Parks and Wildlife Service. Roddas Hut 1927 during William Nutting search. LG Irby photo courtesy Judy Flint. Tin Hut. Mountain Huts Preservation Society in partnership with the Parks and Wildlife Service will soon undertake repair and work on Tin Hut. The project is only possible through the contribution of volunteer groups such as the Mountain Huts Preservation Society, like moi, who are dedicated to the protection and restoration of culturally significant sites such as this one. Internal bracing has been temporarily installed to stabilise the structure until more permanent repairs can be undertaken. If you'd like to become a member, talk to PWS at Deloraine, or look at the website. and just talking about if there's proposed works here, the facility is unsuitable for restrict public use, blah blah blah. Got a sign-in book, sign that. Stuff to keep it clean. I'll give it a good sweep out in a minute. But yeah, that's cool. So by the look of it, when you look here, obviously the windows there, looks like the old fireplace was like literally right here, or behind this tin sheet. Bird's nest, swallows. See that there? Yeah, so it's pretty cool. The graffiti's disgusting. I've seen some guy, Samuel Powers, was here 3rd of January 2025. I've rubbed that off. Like literally, it's a brand new piece of board and someone's graffitiing on it already. Like Samuel Powers, all these people that graffiti in a significant site like this that has history, that people worked hard to build this thing, and people come along and get a bit of charcoal and write their name and like do it in the book. That's what the book's for, people. Like, there's just dickheads. It's worse than that other YouTuber that I watch. He puts stickers on everything. I'm gonna kick back here and have some lunch. Take in this beautiful view. Just done a little temporary fix. There's a big gap there when you shut the door, so I've just put these planks of wood across it. It's only temporary. Stop the animals getting in there. Definitely is a lot better. There's a big gap there where they could get in. That's sort of a bit closed and better now. It's only temporary, like I just thought it would just help a little bit so the animals don't get in here, like possums. Just kicking back reading the book. The first thing I read was Mountain Huts Preservation Society ask if you know any history of this hut origins, please contact the secretary. Thank you. So it's just mountainhutspreservationsociety.com.au, and you can contact either Ian or Eddie and let them know. Sitting reading the book, and the swallow came straight through this little hole and flew around in here, and then went back out again. So that's how they're getting in here and crapping it all over the joint. We need to block that up. I'm gonna climb up here and have a look. What a mission though. It's come all the way from out there. Imagine being back here in the day, carrying your shotgun with your dogs, pushing the cattle up or the sheep, living the life of a shepherd. Gee, they would have done some missions through here. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.